Does the twinge of back pain haunt your daily life? Does it stand as an uninvited guest, meddling with your routine activities? If the answer is yes, then you're about to embark on a journey of relief. First on our list is the pelvic tilt. Start by lying on your back with knees bent, feet flat, and arms by your sides. Slowly tighten your abdominal muscles, pushing your lower back into the floor. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 10 times. This exercise strengthens your core muscles, which support your lower back. Next up, we have the knee to chest stretch. Begin in the same position as the pelvic tilt. Bring one knee up towards your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower it back down. Repeat with the other knee. This stretch relieves tension in your lower back and hips, promoting flexibility. Our third exercise is the cat-camel. Start on your hands and knees, maintaining a neutral spine. Arch your back upwards, resembling a cat stretching, then lower it into a sagging position, mimicking a camel's hump. This exercise enhances the flexibility of your spine and can help relieve tension. Fourth on our list is the bird dog. From a hands and knees position, extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. This exercise strengthens your lower back and improves balance. Our final exercise is the bridge. Lying on your back, bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. This exercise strengthens your lower back and glutes. In summary, we've explored 5 exercises that may help alleviate back pain. The pelvic tilt to strengthen your core, the knee to chest stretch for lower back and hip flexibility, the cat-camel for spinal flexibility, the bird dog for lower back strength and balance, and the bridge for strengthening your lower back and glutes. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and you might just bid farewell to that nagging back pain. Here's to a future free from back pain and a life brimming with vitality.